Welcome to DoubleTick. In this video, we'll show you how to send a WhatsApp broadcast using multiple WhatsApp business numbers. This feature allows DoubleTick to automatically send messages from different WhatsApp numbers based on information saved against each customer. It's a great way to manage communication across multiple teams, regions, or business accounts while improving message distribution. Before sending your broadcast, there's one important setup step. You'll need to create a custom customer field that stores the WhatsApp number you want to use for each contact. If you haven't already done this, export your customer data into Excel, add a new column, for example, multiple WABA broadcast, and enter the WhatsApp number that should be used for each customer. Once you've updated the sheet, import it back into DoubleTick and map the column to your custom customer field. This ensures DoubleTick knows which WhatsApp number to use when sending messages. Now let's create the broadcast. From the left-hand menu, click on Broadcast and open the broadcast list you want to send to. Next, click the Send WhatsApp Template button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A list of approved templates will appear. Select the template you'd like to use for your campaign. If the template is approved on multiple WhatsApp numbers, you'll notice a badge displaying the number of WABAs associated with it. Click Send to continue. By default, DoubleTick opens the single number sending mode. To use multiple WhatsApp numbers, click the option that says Send from multiple WhatsApp numbers. You'll now be asked to select a customer field. Choose the field that contains your WhatsApp number assignments, such as the custom field you created earlier. Alternatively, you can select Last Contacted On Number if you'd like DoubleTick to automatically use the WhatsApp number that last interacted with each customer. Once selected, DoubleTick will verify your customer data and display the coverage status. Next, select a backup API number. This number will be used whenever a customer does not have an assigned WhatsApp number or if the preferred number is unavailable. After reviewing the information, click Next. You'll see a final summary showing how many customers will receive the broadcast. From here, you can either send the broadcast immediately by clicking Send Now, or schedule it for a later date and time using the Send Later option. Once confirmed, DoubleTick will automatically route each message through the appropriate WhatsApp number based on your customer data. And that's it. You've successfully configured a broadcast using multiple WhatsApp numbers. Thanks for watching and happy broadcasting with DoubleTick.